Hi friends, in this video, you are going to see aptitude on profit and loss. Aptitude 10. The list price of an article is Rs 65. A customer pays Rs 56.16 for it. He was given 2 successive discounts, one of them being 10%. The other discount is Option A, 3%, Option B, 4%, Option C, 5%, Option D, 6%. Pause the video, and try to solve the problem. Answer, 4%. Explanation. 65 into 90 by 100, into 100 minus x by 100, equals 56.16. Solving, we get x equals 4%. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.